Hey, just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to make a Google Classroom just in case you don't know how to do it. When you open up your CMS Google account, just come over here to the apps, little nine dots, and then click on Classroom. And once you do that, yours will be a blank screen, but you can see that I have classes set up in mine. All you have to do to create a class is just click the plus right here at the top and do Create Class. Type in the name of the class that you want it to be. Just make it like it's Taylor Science. I don't ever bother to fill in that stuff and then just do create. It's that easy. And then once the class is created, you just have your students go to Google Classroom and you click right here once they all get into Google Classroom, display the number on their screen, and they just enter that in and then they'll be automatically joined to your classroom. When you want to share a material or a link with them, you can always just do it with an announcement right here. And so, you could just say, here is the Quizlet link. Sorry, for weather tools. And then go back over to the plans, which is not those plans, sorry, right here, and find your link, Taylor Weather Tools. Copy the link like that and go right back up to your classroom right here. There we go. And add your link. Boom. And share it with the class. And then the students will be able to see it as soon as they come into the Google Classroom. Now, I forgot to click post. Sorry, you got to post it. Don't forget that. Now, once you have other things in there, I always use this button right here because you can move to the top if you click right there. And so whenever I want my kids to find a specific thing fast, I just click there and move it to the top and then have them refresh so that whatever I need them to do is right there and they're not searching for it. And you can see it's super duper easy to use, which is why I love it. All right. Hopefully that helps get you started with Google Classroom. If I can be of any assistance, please just let me know.